Today, welcome to today's video. I wasn't going to show this, but just getting some content out there. From the car sitting outside for the rebuild of the short block. You remember we have a video where we did the headlights. The headlights are really oxidized really bad. You can kind of see it right here. Again, the lighting is not the best, but I can tell this light, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to go back over all the steps. I have an entire video, I think 2 videos where we did 2 sets of headlights on how to do the headlights. I went ahead and already refilled the mess kit already. I did it off camera because that's kind of messy. But for this, when I bought another circle headlight kit, my only deal is it says it lasts a year, but then again, I don't know if they accounted for extreme temperatures like we've had here in Texas, over 110 almost every single day. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these headlights. You see how they got everything masked off already. I got my Civic kit and the bottle of water. Again, I'm not gonna go over all the steps to it or how to do it. I have an entire video. You can watch me do it slowly. But for those of you guys that want to know, here's the basic steps on how to do it. Relatively simple. I had an easy time last time. I'm gonna bust these out again. I already refilled the mess kit. Then I'm gonna clean the interior up. I need to wipe the interior down. And the car does need to be washed because it did rain yesterday. We'll see if we get around to washing the car. I think the headlights need a pair to dry. I think it's like 3 hours after they're done to dry, something like that. So I might not be able to wash the car today, but we're definitely gonna get these headlights done and definitely get the interior wiped down and cleaned up. So again, the magic, I'm just gonna like that, and they're gonna be clean like that. And go headlights are done. It's gotta dry now for an hour. So we'll come back in an hour. Once they're dry, they'll be done with that. And we'll go ahead and carry on with wiping down the interior. Then obviously we're gonna go ahead and fix this clear coat damage that came back. See it? This time, remember this time we did I think we did the 800 and the 600 grit wet the first time, but now I got the 400. So now we're gonna hit this again. We're gonna do the 400 first, along with the 6 and the 8, and then clear coat, touch it up again, get rid of that clear coat damage. We'll be back. I need to get the Cerakote trim restorer and go ahead and restore that trim as well. All right, one quick thing, interior is wiped down. Again, it's dark, guys, but doing this for work on the holidays, the interior is wiped down. Again, we're still gonna replace these seats for sure with some Brahms. I'm just having to go all red Brahms yet, or I'm gonna do red and black. I was thinking red and black might clash too much, but now looking at it, I think the red and black seats might flow good. This looks good when you open the door and it's like all red. Sorry about that. All red interior as far as the seats. We'll see, man. I might get the new version of the seats just because they're wider. We'll figure it out, but again, that's neither here nor there. So interior's right down, waiting for the headlights to dry, and then we might go and wash the car, like a quick wash off. Let's see. We're back around too. What are we doing? So I did the headlights already, as you guys already saw. Now we're going and we're doing fixing the car over here. We got the clear. I already got a video on this. The only difference is we're gonna use 400 grit this time. I don't think I got deep enough last time when I did this, and that's why it came back. Not to mention this stuff's supposed to help against EV damage protection, but remember the car was going through a rebuild, and so they were sitting outside for like 3 months, something like that. Actually, yeah, about 3 months. So as you can see, it came back right there. Clear coat damage. It's our clear coat damage, guys. And then we had last time. Get close to the edge, you see it. So we're gonna fix that now. I'll cut the light on and show it to you again, but against the clear coat damage, we're gonna use that 400 grit just to get a little deeper. I do need to get a razor blade because remember last time I was chipping, so we can chip some of this clear coat off. As you can really see right there. So again, we did the headlights already. The headlights are done. We're gonna go ahead and refix this again. I got an entire video where I took my time to do this again. I'm not gonna go through every single step. We're just gonna get it done. Don't forget to cover this up Cover your motor, because remember, this stuff is nasty. It will stick. You don't want to get this stuff on your motor, okay? You don't want to deal with that. So I use trash bags this time. Last time I used towels. I'm glad I did. So that way I can just throw these trash bags away whenever I'm done with it. Just want to cover the motor. So I'm going to be wet sanding. So all that stuff's because that residue is going to come down. You want it to go on top of the trash bag and dry up, not dry on your motor. That's why that's there. So again, we're just going to get started. I'm really not going to explain too much. I have a whole video on this. The only difference is I'm going to use a 400, which I should have used last time, so I can get deeper and get deeper in these scratches. Wet sand spray, sand it all down. Once you get to a point where we think we're good, we hit it with the clear, even clear, and then we just got to let it dry. So let's go and attack this. Also, notice, which I'll probably show after I'm done with this, I was missing a rod for my battery. My rods finally came in, so I can go ahead and replace that. But let's go ahead and take this on and get this clear coat damage fixed up. I mean, it's too nice of a car to be having the clear coat damage, etc. So we're gonna take care of that right now. There you go. I got the light on, guys. That's a lot better. You guys can see it before and after. But again, I'm not a professional. So I watched on YouTube. Remember, I did this before. Came out pretty decent. But like I said, sitting outside for the rebuild, kind of destroyed the clear coat on it. So we'll take that on. We'll get that fixed up. Alright, guys, here's an update. Just trying to see you guys scraped up. I've only hit with the 400 grit. So you can see, look, it's all dusty. You can kind of see where I've been scraping. I've been trying to chalk it up again. Once you get it with the clear coat right now, see, it's dusting up on the wet sanding. You can see the other side. Here's the other side. I just finished wet sanding it. Yeah, I'm just trying to break up that clear coat off of it, and then I'll go to town with clear coat. And again, this will all look good, clear again once you get the clear coat. But that's after just one scrubbing of the 400 grit. The other side just finished it, like that's why the side looks wet. But I'm trying to decide, kind of feel it. I'm kind of feeling it, feels flat. Jeez, a lot of dust. But if you want to see what it's going to look like, clear coat it, just spray some water right there. Bam. See, that's how it looks like once you get clear on it. Oh, God. Like that, just so you can see. But I'm probably going to hit it with the 400 did pretty good, actually. Broke it down because I don't run my hand across it. Feel bumps. Feel a little ridge right here. Probably going to hit this corner 400 again. Again, it's not going to be perfect, but it's one better than what it was with a lot of sun damage. I'm going to hit this corner again right here. This corner again right here for sure. But yeah, fill it out, guys. Yes, I'm just trying to get nice and flat before I hit it with the next set, which will be the brush it right here.
24 hours later.
Alright, just like that. It's been about 5 hours. You can wash the car, but here you guys go. Here's the end results. Is it perfect? Of course not. But is it beyond serviceable? Yes. So there we go. So I need to wash the car. All that dust from the sandpaper, etc. on it. But there you go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace something that I don't know if it fell off or the shop got to put it back on, but when I was having the battery issues, they changed the battery out and magically it was gone. I think the post fell off. So I bought new battery post right here. I just cleaned it up. This is from SI, all the same. I don't need a nut right here, obviously, because I have the aftermarket Chasing J's titanium nuts. A nut is actually in there, like it fell out. That's why I think they did put it back in, maybe they just didn't tighten it. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. I was having some baby voltage issues going. It could be because the battery was hopping due to only having one post. Well, let's open this up. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, and there you guys go. See, I'm missing a post. You see it right there. Bam. See, post is right there, but there is no other post. So that's why I think they didn't tighten it. It kind of fell off. So having one of these magnifying things comes in handy. To actually try to get that. See if I can stick it. I may not stick it as titanium. I'm gonna try. And of course it doesn't stick as titanium. Give me a second, I gotta work to get this thing out. Right here. Be right back. Jeez. And guys, I got it out. It's my titanium bolt. There you go. So all I'm gonna do is you see this let that fit. So the hook right there. You can see it right there. Yeah, sorry about that. But there's a hook right there. We gotta hook this underneath there. The hook inside this hole. So again, it's pretty basic, pretty simple. Like I showed on camera. Get this done. The biggest thing was getting this bolt out. Basically, just use the top of this to dig it out. So let me get this on. Well, it's always just simple, so that's a pain in the ass. The bolt was kind of short, so the SI rods might be a little shorter than EX rods. As you can see, I have my catch can welded to the back of this one, so I couldn't swap them. But we got it on there, some finagling. We got it on there nice and tight, so it doesn't move. See, I got some of the sanding out the clear coat right here, so I was gonna wait, but fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and go do a quick wash of the car right quick. Take it to the car wash, do a quick wash. Jeez. Alright guys, at the car wash, just finished washing the car. Had to get the car nice and washed. It's disgusting after all the dust and dirt and clear coat removed, the headlights done, all that stuff, and it rained. So it was getting pretty nasty, so I want to go ahead and get that together. So basically, this is just a cleanup video. That's all it was over the course of a couple of days. Of course, I didn't do this all in one day. I had to wait for the rod, stuff like that. But it needed to get washed up. I already cleaned up the interior earlier in the video, as well as wiping it down. I need to order some more Passengers Car Care. That big dust cleaner is freaking amazing. Not gonna lie, it's the dust right off. Wheels are nice and white again. But alright guys, I think this should be long enough. I'm going to close out this video. I'm waiting to order some more of these right here. Need my student driver here. So as soon as Street Speak gets those back in stock, I'm definitely going to get those. Nice lemon scent, but I love the fact that it's a student driver. Just kind of a play on things. Bye guys. This is a TLC maintenance thing. I had to get this car cleaned up after it going through the rebuild. Again, the baby rebuild, I should call it. I just faded out the clear coat and everything, but everything's touched up, good to go. Everything's nice and back to, we're almost showroom ready. Just gotta clean it's been a day to clean the engine bay, which I will get cleaned back up, and then we'll be ready for another car show, some upcoming shows. Do want to do some touch up, like I said, the seats. I could have got the seats now, but so I had to wait, hold on to wait on the seats. I don't know if I want to get the seats in before the next show. I'm probably going to go and get the new plate. I need to get the car inspected. I've already put the miles on it and everything, so go and get it inspected. Probably get the new plate. I need to get the plate to complete it, so then I can put the new back plate on as well. Get the completed look, so it can be at my 100% my vision. Then it'll be time for a new time to chill. Probably do some cruises, something like that. I'll figure it out. Got some other cars in the works as far as other people needing help, as well as we are building my friend LeBrandy, so we're building his car, but we're going to do his a different way. Sneak peek, before he gotten a bunch of parts stacked up, just haven't talked about it yet. So again, guys, click like and subscribe. If you got any questions, post them down below. I'll try to answer them. You guys have been asking a lot of questions about this front bumper and the lip and all that. So I posted links to everything as far as for people's comments and where to find the stuff. Again, as you guys know, prices are getting more and more expensive due to inflation, etc., and stuff like that. So if you want to upgrade your front end from the 06 to 08 to 09 to 11, I highly recommend it. This front end is way more aggressive than 06 to 7, especially with the intercooler and all that. You just go back and look at my earlier videos when I had the old front end on it. Versus this one, it's night and day. And then mesh was no mesh. I like the no mesh because you can tell, yeah, the thing's aggressive. Yeah, it's boosted. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here, go to sleep, wake up, put in some overtime tomorrow. Why? So we can get the money to do bigger and better things. I get that money. See you guys next video. Guys, any questions, post them down below. Please comment, and subscribe. Let's get these subscribers up. Later, guys.